Okay, today I'm going to show you how to tie off a piece of dialysis tubing. So you have the dialysis tubing here. It's about 10 centimeters in length. And to open it, you rub it between your fingers and slowly work your fingers down to completely open the bag so that it actually ends up being like a tube. So what you want to do is you want to use a piece of string to tie off one end, and you'll have a piece of wetted string like this, and you'll just put it, dialysis tubing, on the string, and then just literally, it may be hard for you to see, you just literally tie a knot at one end of the bag. So you can see now there's a knot down there. Okay. To be sure, you can add another knot so that it's completely secured and nothing leaks out. So now you have your bottom tied out, and now you can fill this solution up because it's tied off at the bottom. Take my pipette, squeeze the bowl, put the pipette in, using the buttons up here near the bottom of the bowl. It's an up arrow. Up means you're going to suck solution up. You put your pipette tip in the solution and you draw up, looking at the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, the numbers written on the side of the pipette. And then take your solution, carefully put the end of the pipette tip into the bag, then squeezing the button at the end of the stem, you deliver your solution into the bag. Okay. Once you have done that, so you now have a dialysis bag that's got your green solution in it. It's tied off at this end. So you want to tie it off at this end so that you can put it into water and dialyze it. You take another piece of string that's been soaked in water, and this is where you could have somebody else help you. One person could hold the bag and the other person can tie it. I will attempt to do this myself. Sure that the knot goes over and tie it, pull it tight. You can do a second knot to really get it nice and tight, and voila, you have a dialysis bag. You notice that the water only goes up, the solution only goes up about halfway, and there's room to expand if it expands, and that's part of the point of the experiment. Now, before you actually go and use it, you'll want to just snip off with a pair of scissors, snip off a little bit of the ends of the string, just to neaten things up. And because the strings will soak up water, you don't want that to affect the way your concentration when you weigh it, you don't want that to change it. And I obviously didn't tie this very well. It started to leak out.